I got it. I can feel it.
They never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty. Check the pantry from the sound waves to the rebel lines. From the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet the sign a major for the bankroll. But thank the Lord that it dies in penitentiary. Night sky on my inside is empty. Mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. Switch my heart is icy. Walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Acrylics hella cloudy. Yeah, the poison ivy. Went from like a stronger with a co-sign me. I don't even like me. No, I'm staring in the mirror. Claiming the goodness to shy, but timid the riddles.
Hey guys, what's going on today? We're back for another video. I don't got anything too crazy for you today. One thing I did want to show you was I got this awesome picture of the Celica today, so I'll drop that right here. Also, I also got a video of the taillights out in the sunlight, so if you didn't see that video, I'll put a card right up here somewhere for the smoking the taillights. I showed you basically step by step how I personally go ahead and tint taillights. I've done it a few times. We'll walk around back here and I'll show you that. Corey, what up? So you can see them right here, and in the sunlight, you really see the pearl that we put in here. Keep in mind, I have not wet sanded or polished the lights at all yet. So they will look a lot better. We'll get a glass finish once we do that. I just haven't got around to it yet. But one thing we gotta do really quick just to pretty up the engine bay is I've been working on something kind of on the side on you guys, and I'm gonna put it in there right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the hood on the GTS, and then we'll show you what we're doing. So yeah, if you look at the god-awful strut bar that we talked about in the last video, again, would not recommend. You can see just under that, we're missing something. The beauty cover's gone. That's something I've been working on for the last couple days. So we're gonna slap that back in here, and then I'll show you what I did. Guys, no. What's wrong with this picture here? What's wrong with that? 1, 2, I can't count that high. One of them dropped somewhere down there, and I didn't hear it hit the ground, which is great.
I don't know what the fuck I'm hoping to install.
Do you see the Allens behind you?
Sure do.
Should be need a 4.
4?
Yeah.
Only the fucking number. Oh wait,
Oh, I lied, it's a 6.
Jesus Christ.
I lied, it's a 5.
Or is it a 5.5?
Shut up. Is there even a 5 in there?
Yeah, that's why I was asking.
Guys, I see it. I see it. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. There. See that little, like, here's the hose. Right there. That's it.
I don't see shit.
I didn't hear it hit the ground. I knew it was down there somewhere. Oh, I think I got it. I can feel it. God damn it. Alright, so what we went ahead and did is we painted the engine cover. I actually used the same pearl metallic clear that we used in the taillight smoking video, tinting, whatever you want to call it. Right here, I just used some touch-up paint from work. And I mean, it's not perfect, you guys, but just something to dress it up a little bit. It was just completely black plastic. Eventually, I want to polish the valve cover, and then the intake is going to get taken off when we get our new short ram, put the spacer in there, and make the heat shield. We will actually be porting this intake. I've been watching some online classes on how to optimize your intake porting and polishing just to get a little more NA horsepower out of this thing. But honestly, the 2ZZ is pretty good, so I don't know how much more I can really ask for. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you the redone beauty cover for the engine of the Celica GTS. I don't know, man. That had to add like 5 horsepower. What do you think? 5 horsepower? Are you scared now?
No.
So last week, I'm gonna insert a clip right here. Check it out. I almost had you.
No, you didn't.
Almost had you.
No.
Anyway, you guys, I just wanted to give you this little video just because honestly I felt like doing it. So anyway, I thought the Celica looked really good today, and that was kind of the whole reason that I did this, was because I wanted to show you that picture that I got. I also wanted to show you the smoke taillights, which I put a clip in earlier just so that you could see that in the sunlight they do shine pretty well. So I've gotten a lot of flack for that. My state particularly says that you just have to be able to see the lights clearly and visibly from 100 feet away, which is not very far at all. If you remember seeing a clip of that video, I actually had the lights on going through the brakes, the signals, all that stuff. I'll put another clip of that right here. But you guys, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like on it down below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and also make sure that you are commenting on the video so you get a chance to win one of those mystery boxes. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
I swear they never really understand me. I need a comma like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the